Debbie called the police. I'm not certain why or what good they'd be, but well, let's just take a walk and see what it looks like out here. That one lost most of its skirting. There's a blue spruce that certainly feeling blue now. And that's too bad. It was a nice tree. There's a blue spruce on this corner that came down. And that's a nice tree too. We just plumb uprooted it. Around the corner here, I don't know. Piece of skirting missing there. This one over here has got a piece of the top edging messed up. Got some chainsaw and fellers over there. There goes some kind of construction guy. Still got a little thunder. Big maple tree there, but surprisingly, I don't see any pieces on that roof. Do we have anything in this side? No. Not much of nothing. I don't see any big trees down over there. I ain't gonna let you run over me, old man. Well, I don't think there's anything over here. These trees over here look good still. That's still a giant mass of foliage. I don't see anything over this way. It's all over there. I didn't see anything more up around the way. So here we are back here at these spruce trees. And this time I'm gonna go to the right around the circle. See what we can see. If we can see anything. Before it gets to storming again. Oh, my finger. Sorry about my finger. Doesn't seem to be much of nothing going on over here. Oh, I might get rained on. Nice Camaro. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get rained on. I got too many things in my pockets to run. Oh goodness. This one got a lot of tree in the yard. Looks like her house fared pretty well though. It fell on that one house instead. That one had it both sides of the roof. And these are my neighbors. They lost that window right there And pretty much nothing happened to me, other than getting caught in the rain. I guess I was wrong. I did get some damage. I saw when I was reviewing my video, my little flag blew away. But it only went to the neighbor's yard. And we will now plant it back in the yard.